Hey, I'm Vincent, and today I'm standing next to my dad's 2018 Ford F-150 with 3.5L Ecoboost. The stock 3-inch pipe sounds weak, so we're going to replace it. Here's how it sounds. For this project, we chose Advanced Flow Engineering Atlas catback exhaust. Here they are, side by side. We have the old one and the new one. Now after the installation, we need to see how the new pipe sounds like. Well, we're done. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!